Hello, it's your girl Joyceline Kay. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I want to fulfill my promises to you. One of my promises to you. I said I'm going to do a skirt tutorial, my viral mesh skirt tutorial. And this skirt is so easy. The tutorial is so short because the skirt is very easy and it sells a lot. You can wear it on your bikini, you can wear it under your dress. You can be creative around the way you wear the skirt. Okay, so it's been it's been on high demand. Joyceline, please, can I get a tutorial? And I decided that I'm going to do the tutorial, and here you go. So let's get our materials and everything you need and your patience. Watch this video to the end, like and subscribe to this channel if you want more of my tutorials. Okay, it's usually very easy. This is the skirt. I've done it already, you guys can see, and I'm going to obviously show you how to make this. I made a medium. This is the medium size, and you should know your sizes. I've explained sizes to you guys, so know your sizes. Use your tape for measurement. The waist, any size that your waist is, you know that's the same size you start the chain, the long chain, which you're going to see as this video goes on. Any size your waist is, that's the size you will do. My size is medium, so I did a medium. And if you're extra large, extra large, extra small, look at my size guide, which I'm going to put for you here. You can take a screenshot. You can also go on Google and check for size guide, and you make that to your size. Yeah, so let's get to this tutorial. My makeup is so fine. Yeah, let's get to this tutorial, guys. Hey guys, so we are going to be using this 100% acrylic yarn. I love using this yarn because I don't know. This is my favorite yarn right now. So it's 198 grams, 198.4 grams, which is 7 ounces. I'll be using this pin. It's a very big pin. It's 3.75 millimeters. And you'd also be needing your tape and your scissors. So first of all, this is going to be really quick. I'll just make a long chain to my waist size. You have to measure your size. I'm a medium size, so my waist size is like 30. Yeah, my waist size is like 30, so I'll make a long chain to like 30, then I'll start from there. Okay, quick one. I'm going to just put in my pin here like this, and I'll do a slip stitch or a slip knot on the edge of the chain. Okay, this is the two sides of the chain, so I'll just put a slip knot here. So that's a slip knot, and we've joined the chain like this to give us the circle for the skirt. Okay, so now I'm going to do, this is my first chains, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. This is 12 chains. I'm going to make double crochet on the 10th stitch. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. I'm making a double crochet here. So double crochet, go to the next place, the next stitch, and do another double crochet. So 2 double crochets in different places. Okay, so I'm going to make another 12 chains. 2 4 6 8 10 12. Then on the 10th chain again, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So you're skipping 9, and on the 10th one you're making a double crochet. and you go to the next stitch and make another double crochet. So you're going to repeat this round this chain, 12 chains, keep 9 chains. On the 10th one you make a double crochet, on the next one you make another double crochet, and then you do the same thing again, 12 chain, just like that. Okay, so I'm at the end of this row and it did not complete. You can see I have some chains left here, and this is how it looks right now. So what I'm going to do right now is complete my stitch. So now I'm going to do my 12 chains, 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, and now I'll go into this chain. I'm going into this chain with a double crochet stitch. So double crochet, another double crochet in the same place. See how that looks? And you do another 12 chains. You go into the next chain, and then you do double crochet again, and then you repeat 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So you keep doing these. So this is the second row, 1 2, and I'm going to make, let me go around first. What I did was I did 4 rows of these, but you can do more, you can do less, you can do just 1 row, you can do 2 rows, you can do as many rows as you want. If you want it to be a long skirt, you can just keep going and you get the length that you want. But this is how you have to do it. This is how I did it. And you just wear it on your bikini. So I'm going to show you how to put the strands on the skirt. Let me go on this row completely first. So I'm at the end or the beginning. The end is the beginning, right? This is where I started and this is where I stopped. So this is where the next row starts from. So I'm on the next row, and it's still the same thing I'm going to be doing, which is just my chain 12, 2 double crochet, chain 12, 2 double crochets. So I'm gonna chain 12 now, just did, and I'll go to the next place and do double crochet, another double crochet. This is very easy. Chain 12, double crochet. So I'm on row 3 now, and I'm going to make this. I make the last row, and I'll just show you how to add the strands. Easy, short, simple for your bikini cover. Okay, so I'm at the last row, and now at the last place where I want to put and cut, I'm not going to do a double crochet, but instead I'm going to make a single crochet, 1, another single crochet, then make a chain or 2, and then cut my yarn. And now I'm going to get the strands that I need for this. So now I would hide my yarn or secure my yarn. You can secure it. You do this on the back side of the skirt, so when you cut it, they won't see the strands hanging out. The strand 2, you can hide and cut, or you can just cut, which I'm just going to do. So now, okay, so now I'm going to show you how I'll make the strand and how I'll add the strand to it. Okay, so guys, I'm going to use this right now and get the strands. Okay, it's just very simple. So I'll use my leg like this and put it to the length that I want. You see, if you want it to be very long, you can, but this thing is already around here, right? So you have to just get any size that you want. If you want it to be very long, you put it up. If you want it to be shorter, you make it shorter. So the length is your choice. And then I'll just go around it like this. I'll make as much as possible. Sometimes it will be left, some will be left. I'll use it for another one. Other times I'll need to make more. But yeah. So after getting this, I'll just cut it. I don't know if this is enough, but let's start with this first. So this is it. Also I already put the skirt here, so I'm just going to get some piece of this. Let me say 4. Let me use 4 for this. So this 4, I'll use it and put on this stuff. You make sure it's equal to, then you put it. I'll bring the camera closer so you can see what I did here. So you just put that in. It's done. Let me show you guys. So now I'm just going to do this, okay? This is the one I want to use, and I make sure that it is equal size. So I'll just put it like this, like crochet it into. Easy peasy. You can also go from the inside out. And that is it. You just put it round. Thank you so much for watching all my tutorials. We are almost at 20,000 subscribers on YouTube. Oh! At the beginning of 2024, I had just 1,000 subscribers or less even, and now I've gained over 14,000 subscribers. We are almost getting to 20,000. 20,000 is good, guys. Yeah, if you have any question concerning this or any other thing that I have posted or anything that I have made, please send me a DM on Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter or TikTok, and send a picture of it, and I'm going to send you a response. Okay, thank you so much. See you in my next video.